Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Nissan Leaf front bumper. First, ensure your safety by properly lifting the front of your vehicle with a jack and secure jack stands. Next, remove the front wheels. This provides crucial access to the fender liner fasteners. Always remember to disconnect the 12-volt battery's negative terminal before starting any work for electrical safety. Now, let's tackle the fasteners. Begin by removing the plastic clips located along the top edge of the bumper and around the charging port area. Then, unscrew the bolts that secure the bumper to the fender liners inside the wheel wells. Finally, you'll need to detach the numerous fasteners, typically between 9 and 11, found along the underside of the bumper. With all fasteners removed, it's time to carefully release the bumper. Gently pull the bumper edges away from the fenders. This will disengage the hidden clips. As you pull the bumper forward, remember to disconnect any wiring harnesses for fog lights or parking sensors. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready on the ground to protect the bumper from scratches once it's fully detached. Once all connections are free, carefully slide the bumper straight forward and off the vehicle. Take your time to avoid any snags. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Ensure all clips align, bolts are tightened, and electrical connections are reattached. Double-check everything before driving. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other helpful deals. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.